This is a poster advertising a big fishing competition called Jingiakop Khwai dohkha in the Khasi language, organized in Meghalaya, India. Event name, Jingiakop Khwai dohkha, fishing competition with fish as prize. Location, Marbari Fishing Pond, Miliam Marbaniang, Jaka, East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya. Date 20th December 2025. 20 5. Time, 10 a.m. to 3:40 p.m. Ticket price or 1,500 per person, only one rod allowed per ticket. Main prizes for the heaviest fish caught. First, 5 lakh rupees. Second, 2 lakh rupees. Third, 1 lakh rupees. Fourth to sixth, 1 lakh rupees each. Seventh to 10th, 1 lakh rupees each. 11th, are 30,000. 12th, Rs 10,000. Consolation prizes. Every participant from 1st to 20th position who doesn't win a main prize gets 4,000 rupees each, fixed consolation. Lucky draw, separate from fishing results. There is also a lucky draw among all participants who buy tickets. First, 22 lakh. Second, 7 lakh. Third, 2 lakh rupees. Fourth to sixth, 1 lakh each. Plus smaller prizes over 300 and or 500, probably many winners. Rules mentioned in short. Registration starts at 7 a.m. on the same day, 20th DC. Only 1 rod per person. You must keep the fish you catch, no catch and release for the competition. No outside fish allowed, they will check. Ticket is non-transferable. Contact numbers for booking tickets. 599 87873222617 873201934 8837275703 CC Series 6C337 In simple terms, it's a very big paid fishing competition where people pay or 1,500 to enter. The person who catches the heaviest fish can win up to 5 lakh rupees, and many others win Rs 1 lakh or R4,000. Plus, there is a huge lucky draw where someone can win up to Rs 22 lakh just by buying a ticket, no need to catch a big fish. This kind of event is very popular in rural Meghalaya, especially in the Khasi and Jaintia hills, and attracts hundreds or thousands of participants because